Wake to honor the 2 New York City firefighters killed over the weekend in that fire that happened at Ground Zero. Prosecutors now are investigating whether anyone should be held criminally responsible for the fire at a skyscraper that was being demolished. With me now is David Schwartz, former assistant district attorney in Brooklyn, New York. Good morning, David. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
So Mayor Michael Bloomberg said at this point there's no reason for anyone to think in terms of a criminal charge. So why are prosecutors opening an investigation?
Well, the mayor is making the politically correct statement on behalf of the mayor because it involves his fire department, and that's exactly why the Manhattan DA's office needs to investigate this situation. And I would not count out criminal charges at all. You have a contractor here that may have been negligent. You have workers that may have been negligent. We don't know the cause of the fire yet. We don't know if it's arson or some sort of negligent act by these people working in the building, or it could have been a completely innocent reason. But the bottom line is we need to get to the bottom of it, and we need an independent agency like the Manhattan DA's office to investigate.
David, I don't want to put you on the spot as far as numbers are concerned, but does it happen often where, you know, a firefighter or someone working in a service job of that kind is able to go back in their families anyway and sue or pursue some kind of lawsuit or criminal charges?
Oh, well, I mean, certainly if there was negligence on the part of the contractor, on the part of the workers, and you have to remember, we had 14 federal agencies overseeing this. I mean, this is a perfect example of bureaucracy at its worst, where you have too many chefs in the kitchen, where decisions can't be made. You'd think that 14 federal agencies would have been able to oversee this project. From what I understand, there were cigarettes everywhere, there were halogen lamps, the working conditions in that area were made for a fire to start, and that's exactly what happened. And I think the question of the amount of firefighters that went into that blaze and the way they went into that blaze, that needs to be looked at also as well.
All right, David, thank you very much for talking with us, and of course we'll keep you posted on what's happening with this investigation. Thanks, David.
Thank you, Tamron.
$1 and a